Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name's Joanne and I make cleaning and organisation videos, and in today's video we are going to be deep cleaning. So I'm going to be deep cleaning my ensuite bathroom, powder room and my kitchen, and also deep cleaning areas of my living room. So I really hope you enjoy this video. So here we're starting off with deep cleaning my shower, and we had just regrouted in our bathroom, so that's what all the sort of haziness on the tiles is, and that needed a really good clean. So I'm basically just going in with some hot soapy water to really give the tiles a good scrub, and then I'm going to go in and clean the rest of my bathroom. So I'm just starting by moving everything from one area of the counter to begin with, and I'm just going in and giving the counter a wipe down with a damp cloth just to get rid of any dust or dirt or crumbs that might be sitting there, and same for the stove. Then I'm just going in to pre-treat with my cleaners, so I'm just using a mixture of vinegar and water for my backsplash and for my stove, and some all-purpose cleaner for my countertops. And you'll see a bit later I actually go in with a sponge and some hot soapy water just to give the counters a really good deep clean. So here's that deep cleaning with the sponge and hot water and dish soap, and that was just because I noticed a bit of a residue on my counters. They didn't feel completely smooth, so I wanted to give them a bit more of a thorough clean than my usual all-purpose cleaner and microfiber cloth. So I went in with the sponge and the hot water and soap first, and then I gave it a spray with all-purpose cleaner and wiped it down with a microfiber cloth after. And I basically just went along and repeated this process all over the kitchen bench tops, and I also made sure to do the side of the kitchen bench where our bin usually lives, because that can get quite dirty with the bin being in front of it. Rubbish and spills can get there, so I wanted to make sure I gave that a really good wipe down as well. So here I'm using a sort of lint remover to get rid of all the extra fur on our couch, because our dogs had been sitting on the couch for quite some time, so the fur was really embedded in there. I would be really careful when using this on a fabric couch though, because I did find that if I wasn't careful it would start to pull at the fabric a little bit, so you do have to be careful when you're using it. So I wouldn't use it on any kind of delicate fabrics. And last up, I'm giving our powder room a really good deep clean. We had guests over, so the bathroom was used quite a lot, so I wanted to make sure that I cleaned everything down really thoroughly and sanitized and disinfected. So you'll see me using my steam cleaner in here and also some disinfectant spray to make sure that I get everything really nice and clean. Hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some cleaning motivation. Thanks so much for sticking around and watching it, and here are some other videos you might like. If you're interested in these kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.